Hey guys, TVG here with another episode of Blast from the Past. Today we're going to be focusing on Bobby Darin and his hit song Splish, which reached the number 3 spot on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's watch him sing it live on the Beech-Nut show with Dick Clark on May 22nd, 1959. Let's take a look.
From New York, in the little theater on 44th Street, just west of Broadway, it's time for music, fun, and excitement with your favorite recording artist and your Saturday night host, Dick Clark.
Oh, like Beech-Nut, here it comes. We like Beech-Nut, here it comes. Beech-Nut comes, we mean it, rock and roll. It's flavorific.
The Dick Clark Beech-Nut Show with Connie Francis, Freddie Kennett, Wilbert Harrison, The Crest, and Bobby Darin. Now here's the star of our show, Dick Clark.
Can I speak to you? Excuse me. How are you? I don't know. You look very familiar. Have we ever met before? You have a very familiar look about you. Can't quite place your face, though. What is your name?
Zena Goldstein.
Oh, doesn't sound familiar. Like your hat. That's the wildest ever. Musical, no less. Well, you know, I think you're going to have some fun tonight. Thank you for loaning me the hat for a second, Dina. All of the people who are here tonight, for the most part, have hit recordings right now or have just gotten over one. Sounds like a case of the measles or something, but it didn't. And the young man that opens the show tonight has been with us many, many times. It's always a pleasure to have him back. I got a good spot up here in the upper atmosphere because I think the walls shake a little bit usually when he comes on. He's the man who started off with a thing called Splish Splash. He'll do it for you now, ladies and gentlemen, Bobby Darin.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah. Rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub. Thinking everything was alright. When I stepped out the tub, put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And in a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, breathing with the feel and moving and a groove and rocking and a rolling. Yeah.
Okay guys, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. That's going to do it for today's episode. If you like this video, please give it an old thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and share it with a friend if possible. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. TVG, out.